Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit text inside a PDF document. Let's begin. First, open your favorite internet browser and head over to google.com. Make sure you're signed in, and once you're on the home page, go and click on the little square icon at the top right corner, and then click on Google Drive. Once you're here, look over the section on the left panel, click New, File Upload, choose your PDF documents, and it will show over here once it has successfully uploaded your document. So I'm going to show you on my drive over here. You can easily right click and then choose Open with Google Docs. All right. Here, we can easily edit anything in your PDF document. Like, for example, this one I just made using ChatGPT. I'm going to add something over here. As you can see, we can now add any text. And once done, I want you to head over this section on the left corner. Okay, click on File and then go to Download. Here, you will have the option to download the document in a PDF form. So this will basically convert it back to PDF. So click on it. Once done, you can now open this on your PC, and there you go. That's how you can easily edit any text in your PDF documents. I hope you found this video very helpful.